Hello, my name is Yolanda Andriani. I am currently a PPG Prajapatan student at the University of Muhammadiyah North Sumatra. I want to present reflection material in English subject, the contents of which are reflection text. The first is descriptive text, the second is procedural text, the third is recount text, and the last is persuasive text. Contents, importance, impact, and improvement. Contents of descriptive text, a description of myself and my family, starting from the introduction of my name, age, what I do, what activity I like, activity I do in my free time. In the family, I'm learning about how many family members, how many siblings, jobs that family members have, and where I live. Next, importance of descriptive text. Descriptive text is important so that reader or other people can get to know myself and my family, knowing who I am, who I like, what I do, because the purpose of descriptive text is to describe object, place, people, or situation in detail. Impact of descriptive text. Descriptive text is expected to make reader know what can they be told or described about themselves and their family so that can more easily tell or introduce themselves to other people or people the just now and reader can know the structure of the descriptive text. Next, improvement descriptive text. The descriptive text I wrote still has many flaws, so it's important for me to ask words that are easier to understand or often used in daily conversation. I need to learn a lot of vocabulary and use proper grammar when reading descriptive text. Next, content procedure text. In the text procedure, the important things I've put forward are what my hobby is, what tools are needs to do my hobby, and what are the steps to it. Next, importance of procedure text. Procedure text is important to discuss so that reader can find out what tools are needed to my hobby, the step or step to do it, because procedure text is a type of text that contains steps that must be done for the desired for purpose. Impact of procedure text. The procedure text is expected so that reader can do an activity or make something properly and correctly according to the existing procedure. But from my text and from the text they get, I also hope that reader know what the parts of the procedure text are. Next, improvement of procedure text. In the procedure text, I have to be more detailed in explaining something and use some sentences that are easy to understand, avoid confused sentences, and I include picture to support the steps in the text. Next, content of recount text. In the context, the important things I say are based on my story or story in the past. For example, my experience on the first days of school. Important of recount text. Recount text is used so that reader can find out my story, what my activity were on my first day of elementary school, who I met at the time, how I felt, because the function of this text is to retell event or experience that occur in the past. Impact recount text so that reader can be entertained and also remember about their experience too, so that reader can also know how to make a good recount text and what is told in the text. The text can also provide advice or lesson from the author's true story to be reader, so that reader can take this lesson and apply them if they face the same problem as in the story. Next, improvement of recount text. The recount text I wrote still needs improvement. I need to tell the experience in more detail. I need to give messages and advice that can be taken from the story. Besides that, you can also use words that make reader understand and feel the story. Next, content of persuasive text. In persuasive text, readers are expected to be aware of environmental issues around them, aware of the importance of caring for and protecting the environment. In addition, it is also expected the reader can carry out activities that have a positive impact on the environment, such as disposal. Next, important persuasive text. Persuasive text is important so that reader can open their mind and see how the environment is today. So that serve our awareness of the importance of protecting the environment arises. Because this text aims to invite, tell, or persuade reader to do something according to what the author wants to convey. Impact of persuasive text. Persuasive text is useful so that reader can know and be aware of environmental issues around them, aware of importance of caring for and protecting the environment. It's also expected the reader can implement activities that have a positive impact on the environment, such such as throwing garbage in its place, being able to process their own waste, using electrical energy wisely, reducing the use of plastic, planting green plant in the earth so that the environment can be maintained. The last one, improvement persuasive text. In the persuasive text, I need to tell the current and reliable facts in the text more convincingly, make the invitation sentence more heartfelt so that the reader become aware or agree with my opinion.